Hello, dear followers. Good evening, good morning, and good day everywhere you are watching from. Please, if you are watching our live, make sure you subscribe to our channel. This is breaking news from South Sudan. And if you can also support the channel, please, you are highly welcome. This is the whole day report from Spla-Io and SSPDF. During the day, the war that break from Pathai, Poktap this afternoon, Spla-Io has just captured some of the main barrack and counties that are controlled by SSPDF some days ago. As we speak now, Spla-Io is in control of those areas, Poktap and Pathai. And this evening, they are all under control of SLM-IO. If you are watching live, please make sure you share the live video so other people can get the live also. And this is the breaking news. Poktap and Pathai are under SPLA-IO control this evening, fully under control of SPLA-IO. And this afternoon, the spokesperson of SSPDF, as the 7-day countdown has finished today, he come to social media giving propaganda about the downfall of Poktap and Pasai County, that they are still in control of SSPDF, and that is totally police reclaim. This is all about propaganda. Now the SSPDF turn their war to social media, that they are giving police information to the people of Bor County and Duke County so that people cannot flee the area, as the SLIO are eating those area now, Duke and Bor County. So the SSPDF spokesperson is giving wrong information to those people living in Duke County and Bor Town, so that people cannot flee the areas. And to you, the people of Bor Town and Duke County, for your safety, you are all advised to evacuate those areas nearest to SSPDF barrack or the main road. Move aside and avoid contacting with SPLA-IO posts that are eating to those areas. This post is not coming for people or civilians that are living in County and Burton. This force is coming for the failing regime that is leading by President Salva Kiir Mayardit, the failing regime, or the ruling party of SPLM-IG that is leading by President Kiir. Now the Spla-Io is coming to overthrow the regime that was leading by Salva-Kiir Mayardit. This is not about Nuer and Dinka. This is about two parties, Spla-Io and SPLM. This is not about Dinka and Nuer. This is about two parties, the People Party, which is Spla-Io, and the self-reclamation, or the people who are defending their interests, which is SPLM, which is Salva Kiir Mayardit, the chairperson of it. So this post is coming for the SSPDF only, but not for the civilian of Bolton and Du County. Please, if you are living in those areas, we are advising you to evacuate the area and make sure you distance yourself from the main barrack or the base that SSPDF resettlement are on. This post is coming for the freedom of people of South Sudan, all 64 tribes of South Sudan. This post is coming for you to liberate you, give you your freedom, install true justice, and reshape the country so that every citizen of South Sudan can feel at home and get a job, get a good care of medical or hospital, so that every child can go to school peacefully, and all the soldiers of South Sudan can get their salary every month. Are the citizen and soldier who are defending their country, so that they can prove that they are living in their own country. Now the ruling regime or the ruling party, which is leading by Salva Kiir Mayardit, is not doing anything for the people of South Sudan, as we all know. Now people of South Sudan are suffering for medical care, for lack of medical or lack of good treatment, no development at all, corruption, and the civil servants are not getting paid in monthly salary. The civil servant can also get their salary after 6-7 months. And this is not the way a big country like South Sudan can be led. We are living in a blessing country where we are all blessed by natural resource, minerals, and gold. So we are living in a rich country where no one can not be suffered because of the lack of resource or money. Everyone of South Sudan can get a job and earn the money and feed their family. So we are rich in resource. Please, if you are watching in Western world, please make sure you support our channel. You can tap the symbol that show you message or as the dollar sign, so you can support our channel by sharing and donating to this channel. So every South Sudanese can also get our channel and support our work. We are here to give you information. Thank you, Afro Alan, for showing up. Make sure you share the live video to your friends so that they can also get the message. Now, Spla-Io is advancing to Duke County and Bolton non-stop. So please and please, if you are near to those areas, you are highly advising to evacuate those areas and distance yourself from the SSPDF base or barrack or military zone. It's not advisable for you to stay close to SSPDF military zone. So make sure you distance yourself, you and your family, and all the relative and neighbor who are civilians. We are not advising civilians to join the war. We are advising you to let go this regime which is treating all the South Sudanese or 64 tribes of South Sudanese as slaves in their own country. We are all here to liberate the country from dictatorship regime. Dinka are not all bad, but those people who are in circle of Salva Kiir Mayardit are those people who are destroying the country or destroying the South Sudan movement. So these people are only protecting their benefit, but not the people's will. We are here for the people of South Sudan as whole, but not for a specific people or one tribe. Tribalism is what we are fighting for, to, to, to liberate and chase out the ruling party so that every South Sudanese can enjoy the benefit of their own country. So we are not supposed to live slavery while we are living in a country where it's rich in resource. So please and please, congratulations to SPLA-IO for the work done today, that they liberate the people of Pathai and Poktap. So please, Duke and Bolton, you are next. Make sure if you are civilians, we advise you to distance yourself from military zone. And what is funny from today's clash between SSPDF and SPLA-IO is that one of the soldier, one of the women, which is SPLA-IO soldier today in Pathai this morning, she captured a full pickup Toyota with 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 it gun on top of it. So this lady has captured the pickup Toyota alone. So This is not like before. This movement is different. Uh, we thank all the people who join our life this morning. So may God bless you. We are here for you, 64 tribe of South Sudan. All of us, we are coming to liberate every South Sudanese from this poverty and this failing regime. Thank you. If you are here and watching this video live, please make sure you share this live video to your friend so that they can have clue on what is going on, and send this message to people of the country and Bhutan so that they can distance themselves from military zone as well. This is all we can tell you as of today. Make sure you subscribe the channel so that you can also be alerted when new update is coming in. Thanks for today. Have a good time.